Today we're taking Josh's S14 to the port, but he wanted me to change out this seat take the seat out of S15 since we can't ship this car yet. So I'm gonna take this burrito sheet, take it out and swap it to S14 before we go. On my way to the port to drop this S14. Just got export certificate for Josh's Sylvia. This is where you register car and do paperwork, change title's name, or get license plate. And each building has. That building we were in is only for paperwork. To change it to export certificate or change your owner's name or a bunch of other stuff. But once you do that, you have to go to a different building to get license plate. So yeah, it's a process to even deregister or to get export certificate just to ship it out. Like, you have to come here, get it changed, get in the line. It takes long and a bunch of paperwork. But yeah. Came to this ramen place.
黒ごま担々麺だって
ね、俺もそれ今ね
なかったさっき
Oh, clam ramen.
お待たせしました。タンメンです。はい。はい。すみません、ありがとうございます。野菜。
Veggie ramen.
いただきます。今日少々お待ちください。
My dad got spicy sesame.
Black sesame.
Black sesame. 匂いやば。 check out another car for my brother Koji. He's trying to find a drift car to drift. But me and Lino drove 3 hours to look at this car. Hopefully it's good so I can buy it. Me and Koji gonna go half and half and make it. It's drift ready, so we're gonna drift it. We didn't want to drift the S15 since that thing is immaculate. Want to keep it for a long time. So we wanted to get something missile-ish drift car. It's not too beat up, but oh, it's tight.
細っ。群馬まで来ちゃったね。
バッテリーが外してある、ターミナル外してあるんで、スペアがつくと、電気がつくと多分大丈夫だと思うんですけど。
まあでも全然こんな気分だぐらいだよ。Stop at なんていうのこれ rest stop on freeway getting some udon これ何？
きつねうどん。
きつねうどんこれなんだっけ？きのこ
つけ麺。
つけ麺 It's like mushroom soup with the udon. We got tuna rice. Yeah, we looked at that 180 Sylvia, still 80, Silver Front and 180, and I decided to buy it. So since I can't take it home today, I put some deposit down and gonna come back next weekend to pick it up. But it should be a fun project me and Koji gonna do.